Welcome to Hive Tales, your go-to channel for all things beekeeping and honey tasting. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of honey, from the very beginning, starting with the beekeeping process, hive setup, and finally, the sweet reward of honey harvesting. So, get ready to embark on this buzzing adventure with us. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Beekeeping is an age-old practice that not only provides us with delicious honey, but also plays a vital role in pollinating our crops. It's a fascinating journey that connects us with nature and the tiny marvels we call bees. Imagine a sunny morning as you step into a lush garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and the gentle hum of bees. That's where our story begins, with the enchanting setup of a beehive. To start your beekeeping journey, you'll need a beehive. Now, this isn't just any wooden box. It's a hive that will become a bustling city for thousands of bees. The first step is choosing the right location. Bees love sunshine, so place your hive where it can soak up those warm rays. Next, it's time to assemble your hive components. You'll need a bottom board, hive boxes, frames, and a top cover. Each piece has a specific role in the hive structure. The bottom board provides stability, while the hive boxes and frames give bees space to build their honeycombs. Now comes the heart of the hive, the frames. These are like the building blocks of honey production. Bees will build their wax combs on these frames, filling them with honey, pollen, and brood. It's like watching a small city come to life as bees meticulously construct their home. Once your hive is set up, it's time to introduce your colony to their new abode. This is a critical moment. As you gently shake the bees into the hive, you'll witness a mesmerizing cloud of activity. The bees will soon adapt to their new environment and start working tirelessly to fill those frames with honey. Now that our hive is buzzing with life, let's take a closer look at the incredible lives of bees. Bees operate like a well-oiled machine, with each member playing a vital role. From the foragers who collect nectar from flowers to the nurse bees caring for the brood, it's a symphony of teamwork. And speaking of teamwork, did you know that bees communicate through intricate dances? It's their way of telling the colony where the best nectar sources are. Imagine watching these tiny choreographed performances in your own backyard. As the days go by, the bees work tirelessly to collect nectar and pollen from the surrounding flora. They transform this nectar into honey through a process of regurgitation and evaporation, turning it into the sweet, golden substance we all love. Now, let's fast forward to the moment we've all been waiting for, the honey harvest. Picture yourself in your beekeeping suit, smoke in hand, ready to dive into the hive. The anticipation is palpable as you carefully remove a frame filled with glistening honeycombs. As you inspect the combs, you'll see the mesmerizing hexagonal cells filled with honey. The aroma of fresh honey fills the air, and the taste is beyond words. It's nature's purest candy, a gift from the bees to your taste buds. Once you've harvested your honey, it's time to extract it. The frames are placed in a honey extractor, a spinning marvel that uses centrifugal force to separate the honey from the wax. The honey slowly drips out, and you're left with liquid gold. But the process doesn't end there. The honey needs to be strained to remove any remaining bits of wax and bee parts. It's a delicate process that ensures your honey is smooth and pristine, ready to be bottled and enjoyed. As you savor that first spoonful of freshly harvested honey, you'll appreciate the journey it took to reach your table. It's not just a sweet treat. It's a connection to the bees and the natural world. Honey tasting is an art in itself. Different types of honey have unique flavors, colors, and textures, depending on the flowers the bees visited. From the robust taste of wildflower honey to the delicate notes of lavender honey, there's a world of flavors waiting to be explored. And let's not forget the myriad of ways to enjoy honey. Drizzle it over warm toast, mix it into a cup of tea, or use it as a natural sweetener in your favorite recipes. The possibilities are as endless as the creativity in your kitchen. So there you have it, Honey Tasting 101, a journey from hive setup to honey harvesting. Beekeeping is not just a hobby. It's a connection to nature, a celebration of the hard work of bees, and a delicious reward for your efforts. We hope you've enjoyed this immersive adventure into the world of beekeeping and honey. Remember, Every jar of honey you enjoy is a testament to the intricate dance of bees and the beauty of the natural world. Thanks for joining us on Hive Tales, and until next time, keep buzzing with excitement.